Hello guys, this is Tommy Tang from SourcingYuan. Today's video I want to talk about how to purchase the high quality products like second-hand iPhone from China. I know lots of purchasers and resellers, they want the high quality and the low risk second-hand iPhones, but they are always afraid of the quality. They don't want to lose their money. I help lots of my clients in the company to choose truly high quality products. So today's video, I will show you how to choose the high profit and low risk iPhone.
So why is China the universe center of second-hand firms? China moves 20 million used phones monthly. Here's the three reasons. Now the first one is repeat upgrades. iPhone users swap phones every 1.5 years. And the second one is industrial grading. Platforms like Zhuan app use AI to classify device. No guesswork. And the three is export ecosystem. From Guangzhou's Huayin market to customers' focus, everything's optimized for you. When some merchants say that their second-hand firms are grade A, don't trust them. You must remember what I read on the screen. These are the real codes. Now I will introduce three mobile phones with extremely high residual value. The first one is iPhone 13 Pro. It holds 85% value in Middle East. The second one is iPhone SE 2022. Europeans budget best. It sells out in hours. And the second one is iPhone XR. It is hot in Africa. The last I want to talk about is quality inspection, and for details please check the machine inspection videos I released before.
Now this is today's video, what I want to talk about. I hope this video will help you guys to find more high quality products from China, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe us. Thank you everybody. Goodbye.